What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. I wanted to make this video to say Happy Christmas. There is a giveaway, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, it is Christmas time. I do love Christmas and I want to thank you guys so much for your support so far. You really are blowing me away with your support and feedback. It really is great, and I kind of wanted to give back to you guys once again. As it is Christmas, it's nice to give back. So this is just a simple giveaway video. What I'm going to give away is I'm going to give away 2 free coaching calls with myself, and I'm going to give away a free candle course that I have prepared for you guys. So if you do want a chance to win this, all you have to do is like and comment and share on this video, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It is quite straightforward. I will be releasing the winner in the new year. So once again guys, I want to thank you so much for your support. It really does mean a lot. And happy Christmas guys. God bless.